Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make churros, an easy to make recipe. You can make these churros with very few ingredients. It's absolutely delicious and I hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need. To make this recipe, into a saucepan, add a cup of water, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using palm sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. Let it come to a boil. Now reduce the flame to low. Add a cup of plain flour. Mix it thoroughly without any lumps. This will take around 2 minutes. Mix the flour continuously on a low flame until you get a smooth dough. The dough has come together. Turn off the flame. Remove the pan from the stove. Let the dough cool completely. The dough is cooled enough. I'm going to add 3 eggs, one at a time. Mix thoroughly until incorporated. Check the consistency. This is how it should be. Now let's transfer the mixture into a piping bag. I'm using a large open star tip. I'll show you 2 methods of piping the dough. Heat up enough oil for frying. Keep the flame on medium heat. First method is pipe strings of dough on a baking sheet. As shown here, cut them into small sheets. Drop it carefully into the oil. Wait for about 20 seconds and then remove the baking sheet from the oil. The second one is you can straight away pipe strings of dough into the hot oil. Fry until golden brown. Drain them on a paper towel. To coat the churros, I have combined 3 tablespoons of palm sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder into a container. Roll the fried churros, let it coat well with the sugar cinnamon mixture. Serve immediately. Do give it a try and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.